The humble blouse, a wardrobe staple, often taken for granted. But what if we reimagined the blouse? What if we considered its entire life cycle from the materials used to its eventual disposal? This is the essence of sustainable fashion. It's about creating garments that are beautiful and durable, but also environmentally responsible. This journey towards a more sustainable blouse starts with conscious choices. It's about understanding the impact of our decisions on the planet. By embracing sustainable practices, we can transform the fashion industry. We can minimize its environmental footprint. We can create a more ethical and sustainable future for fashion. This essay will explore the many facets of sustainable blouse production, from choosing eco-friendly materials to implementing responsible manufacturing processes. We will delve into design strategies that promote longevity and explore ways to engage consumers in extending the life of their garments. Finally, we'll examine end-of-life options that close the loop and minimize waste. By understanding these key aspects, we can transform the blouse from a fleeting fashion item into a symbol of conscious consumption and environmental responsibility. And the first step in crafting a sustainable blouse is selecting environmentally friendly materials. Traditional fabrics like conventional cotton can have a surprisingly large environmental impact. They require vast amounts of water and pesticides. Sustainable alternatives offer a more eco-conscious choice. Organic cotton is a great example. It is grown without harmful pesticides and fertilizers. It helps conserve water and protects the health of farmers and ecosystems. Tencel, derived from sustainably harvested wood pulp, is another excellent option. It's known for its softness, breathability, and biodegradability. Recycled polyester made from post-consumer plastic bottles is also gaining popularity. It helps reduce plastic waste and requires less energy to produce than virgin polyester. Each of these materials offers a unique set of benefits. They all contribute to a more sustainable fashion industry. Choosing these fabrics is a step towards minimizing the environmental impact of our clothing. It is a testament to the power of conscious consumption. The production process is another crucial aspect of sustainable blouse manufacturing. Conventional garment factories often rely heavily on fossil fuels, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. By transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, we can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of blouse production. Waste reduction is another critical consideration. Traditional cutting methods often result in significant fabric waste. Implementing zero-waste cutting techniques, where pattern pieces are carefully arranged to minimize scraps, is essential. This practice not only reduces waste, but also optimizes resource utilization. Furthermore, embracing eco-friendly dyes and minimizing water usage throughout the production process further contribute to a more sustainable approach. By adopting these practices, we can mitigate the environmental impact of blouse manufacturing. We can pave the way for a cleaner, more responsible fashion industry. A truly sustainable blouse is designed for longevity. Fast fashion encourages a disposable mindset. Sustainable fashion, on the other hand, values quality and durability. Choosing durable fabrics and employing high-quality construction techniques ensures that the blouse can withstand the test of time. Modular design is another innovative approach to extending the life of a garment. This involves creating garments with detachable or adjustable components. For instance, a blouse could feature removable sleeves, collars, or embellishments, allowing the wearer to transform its style and extend its versatility. This adaptability ensures that the blouse remains relevant and wearable for longer, reducing the desire for new purchases. By prioritizing durability and adaptability, we can shift away from the throwaway culture of fast fashion. We can embrace a more mindful and sustainable approach to clothing consumption. Section 5. Extending the life of your blouse care and repair. Extending the life of a blouse goes beyond the design stage. It requires active participation from the consumer. Providing clear and concise care instructions is crucial. This includes guidance on washing, drying, and storing the garment properly to prevent damage and premature wear and tear. Promoting eco-friendly care practices such as washing in cold water, air drying, and using gentle detergents can further minimize the environmental impact of blouse ownership. Additionally, embracing simple repair techniques like sewing on a button or mending a small tear can significantly extend the lifespan of a blouse. By empowering consumers with the knowledge and skills to care for their garments, we can encourage a culture of repair and reuse. This shift in mindset is essential for transitioning to a more sustainable fashion system. Section 6. Closing the loop. End-of-life options. Even the most durable blouse will eventually reach the end of its lifespan. It's essential to have systems in place to manage these garments responsibly. Recycling programs for textiles are becoming increasingly common. These programs allow consumers to drop off old clothing, which is then sorted and processed. Depending on the material, the fibers can be recycled into new garments or other textile products. Composting is another viable option for blouses made from natural fibers like organic cotton or tencel. These materials can naturally decompose in composting facilities, returning nutrients to the soil. Some brands are even implementing take-back schemes where consumers can return old garments directly to the manufacturer. This allows brands to take responsibility for the end-of-life management of their products and explore innovative recycling or upcycling opportunities. By implementing these end-of-life strategies, we can move away from a linear take-make-dispose model. We can embrace a circular fashion system that minimizes waste and reduces the industry's environmental impact. Section 7. Measuring sustainability standards and analysis. In the realm of sustainable fashion, it's not enough to simply make claims. It's crucial to have standardized metrics and assessment tools to measure and verify the environmental impact of our choices. The ISO 14062-2002 standard provides guidelines for incorporating environmental aspects into product design and development. Adhering to these standards ensures that environmental considerations are integrated throughout the blouse's life cycle. Life cycle analysis, or LCA, is another valuable tool for assessing the environmental impact of a product from cradle to grave. LCA evaluates the environmental impacts associated with each stage of the blouse's life, from raw material extraction and processing to manufacturing, transportation, use and end of life. By utilizing these standards and assessment tools, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of the environmental implications of our decisions. We can identify areas for improvement and make more informed choices that contribute to a more sustainable fashion industry. Section 8. The positive impact of sustainable fashion. The cumulative effect of embracing these sustainable practices throughout the blouse's life cycle is substantial. By choosing eco-friendly materials, we reduce the demand for conventional cotton and its associated environmental burdens. We minimize water consumption, pesticide use, and soil degradation. Implementing sustainable production practices such as renewable energy and zero-waste cutting reduces greenhouse gas emissions, it conserves resources, and minimizes pollution. Designing for longevity and promoting user engagement through care and repair initiatives extend the lifespan of garments. This reduces the volume of textile waste ending up in landfills. Finally, by establishing responsible end-of-life management systems, we close the loop on textile production. We prevent valuable resources from going to waste. The adoption of these sustainable practices not only benefits the environment but also supports the well-being of garment workers and communities involved in the fashion supply chain. Section 9. Conclusion: a sustainable future for fashion. The journey towards a more sustainable blouse, and by extension a more sustainable fashion industry, requires a collective effort. It demands a shift in mindset from both consumers and producers. By embracing the principles of conscious consumption, supporting ethical brands, and advocating for systemic change, we can drive the industry towards a more responsible and transparent future. The choices we make as consumers have the power to influence change. By choosing sustainably produced garments, we send a clear message to the industry that we demand better. We demand fashion that is not only stylish and affordable, but also environmentally and socially responsible. The transformation of the humble blouse into an emblem of sustainability is a testament to the power of innovation, collaboration, and conscious consumerism. It serves as a beacon of hope. It shows that a more ethical and sustainable fashion future is within reach.